Listening exercise. The four seasons. The four seasons are spring, summer, fall, and winter. Spring begins on the 20th of March and ends on either the 20th of June or the 21st of June. For most, spring is a time of thawing, when the cold and snow of the winter are replaced by sunshine, reasonable temperatures, green grass, and more. It is also the season when previously dormant bees and butterflies re-emerge, and when birds become more active. Summer follows spring and spans from about the 21st of June to the 22nd of September in America. Summer is the warmest, the longest, and arguably the liveliest of the four seasons. Students from kindergarten to college are given 2 or so summer months off from class, and to be sure, there are more young individuals out and about during this season than any other. It's not uncommon to see shorts, t-shirts, and sunglasses. Many individuals crank the air conditioning, take a dip in a swimming pool, or explore the ever-comforting ocean waves. Autumn or fall is one of the most beautiful and exciting seasons. Spanning from the 22nd of September to the 21st of December, in the U.S., autumn is characterized by falling leaves, Halloween on the 31st of October, and Thanksgiving. During fall, traditional farmers harvest their produce, and the aforementioned falling leaves change to gorgeous orange, red, and yellow colors. These colors are generally associated with autumn itself, in turn. In the U.S., winter spans from the 21st of December to the 20th of March, and is the coldest of the four seasons. Winter is most widely known for its snow and the Christmas holiday, but it also boasts New Year's Eve on December 31st and other special days. Ice skating, sledding, ice hockey, and snowball fights are commonly enjoyed winter activities.